So here's the old battery tray. I mean, it's actually a pretty decent battery tray. I liked how the locking mechanism worked and everything, but it was sitting a bit high, gravity-wise. So it used to sit literally on top of this right here, and it just went straight across. So as you can see, if this is where the bottom of that tray was, now that's where we're sitting for battery. So we got a good quarter of the battery is lower than it used to be, and the rest of it overall is still lower than it used to be. I did have to modify in here and cut this material away, and it does have slots in it already, the 3D print for battery straps to come through. So now we do have, though, it's really nice, a low center of gravity battery tray with a 3S 5200 LiPo. It's looking cooler already. Alright, we got the two screws right here to hold the rear bumper, and then we got one right in here and one up here, just like on the other side. Now let's get the front one on and then we're done with these.